7 low-carb fast foods you can enjoy guilt-free. Part 1. Sometimes, we all crave a little indulgence and a break from our strict calorie-counting routines. It's that moment when we decide to set aside the health-conscious mindset and embark on a journey to our beloved fast food joint. We understand that devouring a bacon cheeseburger or savoring crispy chicken nuggets isn't exactly what our cardiologist would applaud. But every now and then, it's essential to treat ourselves in moderation. Following an incredibly stringent diet day in and day out can eventually drive anyone to the brink of madness. That's when fast food steps in, offering a solution to satisfy our occasional gluttonous cravings. We acknowledge that it's not the epitome of health, but enjoying a burger or relishing a few nuggets in moderation is perfectly acceptable. So, let's embrace the idea that life isn't just about rigid dietary restrictions. It's about finding balance and giving ourselves the freedom to enjoy guilty pleasures now and then. Fast food becomes the hero that rescues us from the monotony, granting us the satisfying satisfaction we yearn for every so often. Here are the 7 fast foods you can eat on a low-carb diet without feeling guilty about. Just a friendly reminder that this video is meant only for educational purposes. If you have any health worries, please make sure to talk to your doctor. Number 1. Chipotle salad or bowl. Chipotle's Build Your Salad option offers a customizable and low-carb meal for those seeking a healthier Mexican cuisine experience. With a variety of flavorful ingredients to choose from, such as guacamole, salsa, and grilled vegetables, you can create a delicious salad on a bed of crisp lettuce and greens. Chipotle also caters to different dietary preferences with their lifestyle bowls, including options for paleo, keto, and Whole30 diets. The restaurant's commitment to high-quality ingredients, animal welfare, and sustainable farming practices sets it apart from other fast food chains. Chipotle salads provide a balance of protein and fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and prevent overeating. The generous portions of guacamole and salsa eliminate the need for additional dressing, reducing unnecessary calories. With an online nutrition calculator available, you can easily manage your carb intake and make informed choices. Number 2. Buffalo wings. Buffalo wings can be a low-carb option at pizza places and sports bars, depending on their preparation. Traditionally coated in a spicy red sauce, they generally have low-carb content, with just 2.6 grams of carbs in a serving of 3 drumettes. However, carb counts can increase with sweeter sauces like barbecue or teriyaki. It's best to avoid breaded or battered wings and opt for those without breading. Carrots, commonly served with buffalo wings, have a moderate carb content but can be enjoyed in small quantities. By being mindful of sauce choices, preparation methods, and portion sizes, buffalo wings can be a tasty and relatively low-carb option while dining out. Number 3. McDonald's. McDonald's, the world's most popular fast food chain, offers a wide range of menu options. Their famous burgers like the Big Mac and Quarter Pounder are beloved, but their breakfast sandwiches, such as the Egg McMuffin and Sausage McMuffin, are also popular. These sandwiches consist of an English muffin, egg, cheese, and ham or sausage. While the sandwiches contain around 30 grams of carbs, removing the muffin reduces it to 3 grams or less. Ordering 2 low-carb sandwiches provides 9 to 12 grams of protein each. Additionally, if you're craving McDonald's, their Chicken McNuggets are a relatively low-carb choice. The breading on the chicken contains carbs, but it's not as heavy as the sandwich buns. Adding sauce may introduce unwanted ingredients, but a 4-piece order of McNuggets only has 16 grams of carbs, which is reasonable for most fitness goals. Number 4. KFC grilled chicken. When it comes to chicken, the cooking method and choice of side dishes can significantly impact its nutritional value. Fried chicken is known to be high in fat due to the absorption of a large amount of oil during frying. Additionally, heating vegetable oils to high temperatures can create harmful compounds that may increase the risk of heart disease, cancer, and other health issues. On the other hand, grilled chicken is a healthier alternative with lower carbohydrate content. Many fast food franchises, such as Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, offer grilled chicken options. Each piece of grilled KFC chicken contains 0 grams of carbs, making it a suitable choice for those watching their carb intake. Regarding side dishes, incorporating low-carb options can enhance the overall nutritional profile. Green beans are a good choice with 5 grams of carbs per serving, including 3 grams of fiber. Coleslaw is another low-carb option, providing 14 grams of carbs per serving, with 4 grams of fiber. For a satisfying and low-carb meal, consider Kentucky Grilled Chicken, which is prepared by grilling rather than frying. This option listed in the KFC Nutrition Guide contains 0 net carbs. You can enjoy juicy chicken drums, thighs, breasts, and wings, opting for either all dark meat or a variety, without worrying about consuming carbohydrates. This flavorful and carb-conscious choice is a great addition to a healthy eating plan. Number 5. Coffee or tea. Coffee and tea are carb-free beverages that are high in caffeine. The caffeine in coffee and tea can have positive effects on mood, metabolism, and mental and physical performance. If you prefer adding milk to your coffee, options like half and half or heavy cream are available, with half and half containing about 0.5 grams of carbs and heavy cream being nearly carb-free but higher in calories. Coffee houses may also offer soy or almond milk as low-carb alternatives. These milk substitutes provide minimal carbs per serving. By choosing these low-carb options, you can enjoy your coffee or tea while following a low-carb lifestyle. Number 6. Sub bowls. Submarine sandwiches are typically high in carbohydrates, mainly due to the bun. A typical sub can contain at least 50 grams of carbs. However, some restaurants give you the choice to have your sub served in a bowl instead of a bun. This simple switch can greatly reduce the amount of carbs in your meal. At Jersey Mike's, you have several sub-bowl options with lower carb counts. Turkey breast and provolone, 8 grams of carbs, including 2 grams of fiber. Club Supreme, 9 grams of carbs, including 2 grams of fiber. Chicken salad, 9 grams of carbs, including 3 grams of fiber. California Club, 13 grams of carbs, including 6 grams of fiber. It's not just Jersey Mike's, many other sub sandwich shops, including Subway, also allow you to order your meal as a salad with olive oil and vinegar dressing. By eliminating the bread and enjoying all the other fixings, you can still enjoy a satisfying meal. At Jersey Mike's, this option is called a sub bowl on the menu. You can choose from a variety of cold or hot options, such as the Jersey Shore's favorite or the Club Supreme. Just remember to specify that you want your sub in a tub or as a sub bowl when placing your order. Number 7. Lettuce-wrapped burger. If you want a low-carb fast food meal, try a burger without the bun wrapped in lettuce. It's high in protein, has almost no carbs, and many burger places offer it. If they don't have lettuce wraps, you can ask for the burger without the bun. You can also customize your burger with low-carb toppings like cheese, bacon, mustard, mayo, onions, tomato, and guacamole, depending on what's available and what you like. Each of these toppings has a small amount of carbs. For example, In-N-Out is a popular burger joint on the West Coast. They have a carb-friendly option called the protein-style burger. Instead of a bun, they use a lettuce wrap to hold the burger patties. It's a great option if you want to cut down on carbs. You still get to enjoy a tasty burger, and the lettuce wrap adds some vegetables to your meal. It also helps you avoid feeling too full from a heavy bun. Indulging in fast food while following a low-carb diet is possible with some smart choices. Options like customizable salads and bowls, grilled chicken, lettuce-wrapped burgers, and coffee or tea can be enjoyed without guilt. However, it's essential to practice moderation and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Enjoy these low-carb fast foods as part of a balanced diet, finding a balance between treating yourself and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Are you looking to learn about healthy foods that are both low in carbs and free from sugar? Look no further. We've got the perfect videos for you. Just tap on this playlist to watch our series on the healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here's to a healthier and happier life. We'll see you in the next video.